Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on Facebook for iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to enable dark mode for your Facebook, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your Facebook app and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right and then just scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and then select dark mode from here. Now you can directly enable dark mode by using this on option. The dark mode will be enabled, or you can set this system option. So once I've selected system, now whenever your whole iPhone will be on dark mode, your dark mode for Facebook will be automatically enabled. So now go for settings to enable dark mode. Here just scroll down and look for display and brightness and select dark mode from here. Once you have selected dark mode, your iPhone system setting will be set to dark. Now just go back and go to Facebook app again, and here you can see that your Facebook automatically turns into dark mode. So in this way you can easily enable dark mode on Facebook for your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.